Best buztv promo codes and how to use them. Now in this video, I'm going to provide you specific coupon codes for you to be able to lesser than the actual price of buztv and how you can redeem or to use them. Now using them is very easy. Finding the actual code that will actually work is kind of challenging. So all you have to do is to open up your preferred web browser and is choose on buzztvglobal.saver.com. Now you will automatically be redirected here into the buztv global coupon codes. All you have to do is to hit on show code, copy that unique code, and for you to use it, add it into your purchase tab for you to be able to input the code without any problem. Now, before clicking on show code, you must fully understand on that specific feature or description of the code that you will be using. For example, this one, take 20% off BuzzTV IPTV worldwide purchases. Apply the coupon code to access this special saving on global entertainment because this is actually very important. And that is how you find best BuzzTV coupon code and how you can use them.